Welcome back to Real Steel Cars, where we just recently talked about the C8 twin turbo ZR1 that's coming out. Now, I know we're super anxious for that in a 900 horsepower C8, but we also know that it's going to be a couple years before that even sees the market. Hell, people haven't even taken delivery of the C8 base model yet. So if you're impatient and you don't want to wait for that ZR1, you have other options. Call Hennessy. That's right, the #1 tuner out there, out of Texas, is already offering upgrade performance packages for the C8 Corvette. They're taking orders right now. Now they have multiple different packages ranging from $5,000 to $35,000. The top of the range, you can get a twin turbo 1200 horsepower C8 Corvette. So here's what Hennessy's offering. Again, they're taking orders right now for these packages, and right away they're offering a stainless steel exhaust system. They also said once the computer is broken in which they can tune it, they are offering a 700 horsepower supercharger kit. Now, considering the stock performance of the C8 Corvette running 0 to 60 in 3 seconds, 2.8 depending on who you ask, and a low 11-second quarter mile time, a 700 horsepower version sounds pretty incredible. Now, that's not the only package obviously they offer. They're also offering a 1200 horsepower twin turbo package. Now, Hennessy's not just going to slap on a twin turbo kit, tune it, and send it out the door. No, this is a full-on build. If you opt for the twin turbo system, they're going to take the engine and tear it down, installing forged aluminum pistons with a 10:1 compression ratio, forged steel connecting rods, and I quote, an upgraded and fortified factory dual clutch transmission. So not only are you getting the twin turbo kit, you're also getting a beefed up bottom end and a built transmission. So obviously with all this newfound power, you're going to need to be able to stop. So Hennessy is offering a full Brembo brake kit with these packages as an additional add-on, and you can get a fully adjustable Penske suspension. Now, they're really rounding out a total package here. Now, again, you don't have to buy just one. You don't have to buy just everything. You can pick and choose what you like here, which is what makes Hennessy one of the great tuners out there. You can just give them your budget and tell them what you want, and they'll kind of help you along with your build. Now, Hennessy's also offering a carbon fiber aero kit. This kit's going to include a front splitter, a roof air scoop, and a carbon fiber wing. With this package, you're also going to get American flags on the side with a Hennessy script on the top of the wing. Now, the roof scoop in their carbon fiber package is fully functional. Now that the car is going to be boosted, it's going to generate more heat, and that scoop will dramatically drop engine temperatures. Hennessy said that there is no such thing as too much cooling, and with a twin turbo kit, I could not agree more. This aero kit looks so good. Cosmetically, it's a huge improvement over the car. And of course, it's going to handle a lot better because of it. Even if you don't have the budget for the 700 horsepower supercharger kit or the 1200 horsepower twin turbo kit, the aero kit alone is a great way to go. Get that along with an exhaust system and the tune from Hennessy, you can't go wrong. Even these small budget add-ons like this make a huge improvement on the car. So if you've put your order in for a C8 Corvette and already know that 500 horsepower is not going to be enough, or you want to be the biggest, baddest C8 on the street, you need to give Hennessy a call. Put your order in now, talk with them, and discuss your budget, discuss your wants and needs for the performance car of your dreams, and they're going to help you set it up. They said they've already sold 500 modified C7s, and they expect even more than that with the upcoming C8. That's all we have for this video. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, and I'll catch you next time.